Hi, today in this tutorial, I will show you how to earn thousands of dollars using a brand new strategy. You don't need any skill and you don't need any experience to do this. Before we started, hi, welcome to the Make Money Mindset channel. Here we will be helping you to achieve your goals by showing you how to make money online with step-by-step tutorials of earning money from home. Subscribe Make Money Mindset and click the notification bell if you enjoy our video. As a result, whenever I come up with a new and innovative way to make money online, you'll be the first to know. As a result, make the most money. To earn this 100% passive income over and over, all you have to do is watch the entire video and follow the instructions in this tutorial. So first and foremost, I want you to go to this website, audible.com, which will actually pay us. I'm sure most of you have heard of this site and know what it is, but for those of you who haven't, allow me to explain briefly. Audible is an Amazon company that sells a variety of audiobooks, which people enjoy because some people prefer listening to an audiobook to reading a book, and Audible makes money through paid memberships. People pay a monthly subscription fee and gain access to the audiobooks available on the site. Every month, 20 million people visit Audible, making it a very popular website. We'll be promoting it as an affiliate, and believe it or not, even if you don't like affiliate marketing, keep an eye on it because Audible is not like other websites. The great thing with Audible is that people don't have to pay for anything for you to get paid. Affiliate marketing works by convincing someone to pay for a product or a monthly membership to a website in exchange for a commission. With Audible, it's not the same. You get paid whenever someone signs up for their 30-day free trial, which costs $14.95 per mo/nth after 30 days. They can cancel at any time, and they only have to start paying for this website after 30 days have passed. This is precisely why Audible is ideal for affiliate marketing, because the main flaw of affiliate marketing is that it's difficult to convince someone to buy a product, and only a small percentage of people actually do. However, convincing people to sign up for a 30-day free trial is much easier, and many more people will do so, increasing your profits. Now go to Google and search for Audible affiliates. When you arrive on this page, the first thing you'll notice is these 3 steps. You'll now be able to drive traffic to Audible and earn money, but that's not all. I know you guys like numbers, so here's where you can see exactly how much you'll be paid. Just take a look. Every time someone simply signs up for a free trial on this website, you will earn $5, and that money can quickly add up. If just 10 people sign up, you will have already earned $50, which isn't bad at all. If someone signs up for a paid membership, you'll get an extra $10, bringing your total earnings per customer to $15. And if that's not enough, you'll get 50 cents for every audiobook they buy. So there's a lot of potential to make some good money here. That being said, I recommend reading everything on this page so you understand exactly how this works. Of course, I'll skip that so that this video doesn't go on too long. To get started, go to this page and click on Become an Affiliate, then create an Amazon account. Make a new account or log in with the one you already have. Now that you have your Audible account, before going to the next step, I'm curious as to where my viewers come from. So please tell me your country in the comments section so that I can make videos that everyone can benefit from. Now back to the video. You'll need to find a forum with a good traffic source. If you're wondering why we're using it instead of Facebook or another social media platform, it's because Audible allows you to grab referral links for specific audiobooks. You can, for example, select one specific book for weight loss and diet, or whatever it may be. And since you are promoting specific audiobooks, you will require a targeted audience. A forum can provide you with exactly what you require. For example, let's say you're interested in the weight gain niche. Once you've decided on a niche, go to Google and search for the most popular or best audiobook in that category. I looked for the best weight gain audiobooks, and as you can see, I came across quite a few of them right here. We can now obtain a link to one of those books and promote it through weight gain targeted forums. Once again, people don't have to pay for the audiobooks. All they have to do is sign up for an Audible free trial. All you need to do now is find a forum. Search for weight gain forums on Google. You will get a bunch of them. Copy the Weight Gain Audible book affiliate link and post it in every forum you can find. Keep in mind, guys, you don't want to limit yourself to just one niche. To increase your profits, I recommend grabbing affiliate links from a variety of audiobooks in various niches and simply repeating the process I demonstrated. There's a good chance that people will see and click on your link. That's exactly how you make money from this website. I really hope you did get some value out of this video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel Make Money Mindset and click on the notification bell, smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you soon.